The biggest problem with working from home is losing access to all the equipment you have in your office, such as your printer and scanner. Sure, you could get a multifunction device installed at home, but if you only use it now and again, it's just taking up space. There's a better way. Microsoft 365 jumps to the rescue with its OneDrive app. Download the app to your mobile device or tablet and it becomes a handheld scanner. Just tap the scan icon, select Document, and hit the white button as if you were taking a photo. You can even sign or draw on the scanned document by selecting the pen icon. Then tap Done, enter a file name, and save the document. You can now find it in your OneDrive and share as you want. Easy! What other workarounds do you need help with? Drop our experts an email and we'll see what else we can suggest.